This is Vasant from Anora, taking care of PPC. Anora is basically an EMS industry caterers. We basically manufacture sheet metal components for industries like EMS and other electronic industries. We have been coordinating with SINAR for the past 2 years. We have installed a machine from SINAR and we face a very good output from SINAR with the consistency and the precisionality it delivers. The most important and the vital note that we felt is the support. That's the service support we render from them. When it comes to SINAR, they have a very good service network across India. We in Chennai get a very good support from the service engineers. There is no time bound for their engineers to respond to any of our queries. And we have a very minimal downtime of machine because of their supports that they render across the day and night of their time.